Alrighty guys, the handyman here, and today we are fixing a stove, oven that is not heating up. So obviously you want to look into the oven element first. So just checked it right now, it's not heating up. So let's go ahead and pull this bad boy out and test the continuity on with some multimeters and see if it gives us what we're looking for. And use a 1/4 inch nut driver, take those nuts off, or you can use any screwdriver, 11-1 screwdriver, 9-1. Take those bad boys out. But as soon as I took it off, I see that this terminal was not plugged in to one of the connections, and you see it's black, like it's burnt off. So something's telling me the wire slipped off, touched metal, and burnt off. Let's get to the back of the stove, take this plate off, and see what we got. As soon as I took off the plate, boom, culprit's right there. That brown wire is burnt off, extra crispy. Yeah, that guy is toast. So pulling off the terminal, go ahead and pull that guy off. Grab some needle noses, get that guy out of there. Excuse me. And so all I did was I actually got a wire from a receptacle from a stove that I had on my bag. Just cut that wire off, spliced the wires, put the middle part that I spliced, put a wire nut on it, as you see right there, and then put that blue terminal back in there. But I clamped it on this time with the needle nose, just pressed it on real good, made it nice and snug and tight, so it won't come out in the future. And I also applied a little bit of duct tape as well to wrap it around. All right, now it's time to plug that bad boy up. Once you plug it up, let's go ahead and put those nuts back in. Put that plate back up in the back. And look at here, heating up like a beauty. Job's done here. The handyman out.